Did you know that just one tiny part in your transmission can make your whole car feel like it's falling apart? I'm talking about the shift solenoid. A little valve smaller than your finger, but when it fails, it can cause thousands of dollars in damage, or even leave you stranded on the side of the road. Today, I'm breaking down 10 symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. And trust me, most mechanics hope you never learn these. But I'm gonna give you the insider knowledge, so you can catch the problem early and save yourself a mountain of stress and money. What's a shift solenoid? Before we dive in, let's make this simple. Your transmission needs fluid to shift gears. The shift solenoid is basically the traffic cop inside your transmission. It opens and closes to let fluid flow where it's needed. If it fails, the gears don't know what to do, and that's when all the weird symptoms show up. Symptom number 1, delayed gear shifts. You step on the gas, but your car hesitates before finally shifting. That delay isn't normal. It means the solenoid isn't sending fluid where it should when it should. Imagine asking someone for directions and they freeze for a few seconds before answering. That hesitation puts unnecessary strain on your transmission, and over time, it can lead to serious wear. But delayed shifts are just the beginning, because sometimes the opposite happens, and your car gets stuck and refuses to shift at all. Symptom number 2, stuck in gear. This one's scary. Your car may refuse to leave first or second gear, no matter how hard you press the gas. That's a classic sign of a solenoid stuck shut. When this happens, your engine overworks, overheats, and your fuel economy tanks. Worst case? You're stuck crawling at 20 miles per hour on a busy road while traffic piles up behind you. Symptom number 3, erratic or jerky shifting. Have you ever felt your car jerk or lurch forward unexpectedly? That's your transmission trying to shift at the wrong time thanks to a solenoid sending bad signals. One minute you're cruising smooth, the next your car feels like a rodeo bull. Not only is this uncomfortable, it's brutal on your transmission parts, but here's where it gets even sneakier. Sometimes the car doesn't even act weird, you just get one little warning light most people ignore. Symptom number 4, transmission warning light. That little amber light that pops up on your dash? A lot of drivers shrug it off, but ignoring it could cost you thousands. When your transmission computer detects a solenoid issue, it throws up that light as your early warning system. Think of it like your car yelling, "Help me before it's too late." Symptom number 5, slipping gears. This one can be downright dangerous. You're driving at highway speed, and suddenly your car slips out of gear. That's a failed solenoid causing fluid pressure to drop, which means your transmission can't hold the gear. Besides making your car lose power in the middle of traffic, it can put you and your passengers at real risk. And here's the thing: when slipping gears start happening, you're not just facing a repair. You're facing the possibility of a full transmission rebuild if you ignore it. Symptom number 6, strange noises. Grinding, clunking, whining. Those aren't just old car sounds, they're red flags. When the solenoid fails, gears don't mesh properly because the fluid isn't where it's supposed to be. And your car lets you know with some ugly noises. Think of it like bones grinding without cartilage. That's how destructive it can be to your transmission's moving parts. Symptom number 7, unusual vehicle behavior. This one's tricky because it can feel like a lot of different issues. Maybe your car hesitates, maybe it jolts, maybe it feels like it's confused about what gear it wants. That's because the solenoid is giving your transmission mixed signals. Driving like this is not just uncomfortable, it's like walking on a treadmill that keeps randomly speeding up and slowing down. Eventually, you're going to trip. Symptom number 8, limp mode activation. If your car ever suddenly feels like it lost half its power, chances are it's gone into limp mode. This is your car's self-protection feature. It locks the transmission into one low gear and limits your speed, so you can limp it home or to a shop. Most drivers panic when this happens, but here's the secret. Limp mode often gets triggered by a bad shift solenoid. The car's computer sees the solenoid acting up and says, "Nope, I'm shutting things down before you destroy me." It's scary in the moment, but it's your car's way of saving itself from even bigger damage. Symptom number 9, poor fuel economy. Ever notice you're filling up more often than usual? A bad solenoid could be the culprit. When the gears aren't engaging properly, your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel. It's like running a marathon while breathing through a straw or wasting energy every step of the way. Fix the solenoid, and not only does your car run smoother, you'll save money at the pump too. Symptom number 10, burning smell. Now this one, you never want to ignore. If you smell burning fluid while driving, pull over. That odor means your transmission fluid is overheating, often because a failed solenoid is blocking proper flow. Overheated transmission fluid breaks down fast, and once it burns, it can't protect the gears anymore. Keep driving like that, and you're looking at catastrophic damage, sometimes a full transmission replacement. And let's be honest, nobody wants a $3,000 to $5,000 repair bill hanging over their head. So let's recap. Hesitation when shifting, getting stuck in gear, jerky, unpredictable shifts, warning lights, slipping gears, weird noises, hesitation or jolts when accelerating, limp mode, bad fuel economy, and that burning smell. These aren't just quirks of an old car, these are red flags that your shift solenoid may be failing. And the sooner you catch it, the more money and headaches you'll save. If this video helped you spot symptoms in your own car, give it a thumbs up, it really helps me keep making these free repair guides. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tip that could save you hundreds, even thousands, in repair bills. Now, if you're serious about keeping your car running like new, the next video you'll want to watch is this one right here: how to restore headlights permanently. Because what good is fixing your transmission if you can't see the road clearly at night? I'll show you a simple method that beats all those temporary fixes you see online. Click it, and I'll see you there.